2018 is nearly over, and believe it or not, Samsung's Galaxy S10 series is the next big thing around the corner in the mobile industry. The successor to probably the most important Android device lineup are expected to arrive sometime in early 2019, quite possibly right before the MWC Expo in Feb 2019. And it's already normal for all leaks and rumors to intensify as the announcement nears. Some of the latest hearsay claim that the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus could adopt a new design with an extremely high screen to body ratio and also features a unique positioning of the front-facing camera. Instead of a notch, which is currently the most widespread solution, Samsung has been widely rumored to be working on front cameras situated under the display, which could bring us another step closer to the coveted all-screen design of the near future. Such displays would feature a small cutout that would allow the lens to gather light and snap your next best Instagram selfie. While the positioning of the selfie camera still deals mostly in the rumor realm, popular leakster and artists have taken the opportunity to visualize the expected design in renders. Concept designer Ben Jeskin created a rather compelling one that represents a really bezel-less Galaxy S10 with a tiny cutout for the camera near the top. Admittedly, it looks snazzy and very futuristic, but you should still take it all with some grains of salt and don't be unpleasantly surprised if the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus don't look like these renders. And yeah, the downside of this particular type of design is that it doesn't support 3D facial recognition, which needs a bunch of extra components and would therefore need more holes in the screen. But if you don't want Face ID like secure face unlock on your phone, then Samsung's screen design may be the best option for further increasing the screen to body ratio. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.